That's a farm dog. We're at the farm.
I like farm dogs. They walk around the things and the cats sit on the roof.
The cats sit on the roof.
If you have a farm dog, then you don't have a farm cat.
You're jumping jelly.
Where am I hearing? I found a strawberry.
Why do you guys keep on removing the...
There's lots of red. Make sure there's really red. You're walking past a whole bunch of them. Just sit your box down and pull them out. They might be closer to the ground at the bottom of the bush. Look close to the ground, guys. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice one. Happy birthday, Mario and Antonio. Happy birthday to you. Okay, ready? All right.